AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a custom cut-to-length assembly with no product sensors and an unwind station to precisely cut rolls of coated fiberglass material into precision pieces. Material is loaded onto the brake unwind. The cantilever design allows for quick and easy loading. From the unwind, material is pulled into the cut-to-length station by a set of precision ground rollers. The top idler roller is pneumatically preloaded, which includes a pneumatic cylinder, pressure regulator, air switch, and all necessary hosing and hardware for an easier setup. Operator can lift the idler roller using a toggle switch for easy setup of new rolls. Rollers are turned by a high-accuracy, low-maintenance servo motor. An internal guide directs the material from the drive rollers into the knife assembly. A no product sensor will automatically shut the unit down when there is no product sense entering the rollers. Knife assembly then cuts material into precise pieces. The unit has D2 heat-treated tool steel blades. A jam sensor will automatically shut down the unit when there is no product exiting the knife assembly. Material falls down a safety-enclosed exit chute. All components are mounted to a common aluminum base plate. The unit has a color touchscreen for easy setup and operation. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.